1993 attack on the World Trade Center. His only problem, Smoddy doesn't know how to build a bomb. So to keep agents to Al-Qaeda,
the in-person undercover explained to him that we had the technical ability to get...
Why heart attack? Why doctor prescribed Valenza? It's for people with severe liver problems. Slow heart rhythm has been reported.
at Home Depot, Amazon.
Entertainment.
To the next generation, the generation after that, and
Everything you need to know. Keeping you informed of what's happening in the world.
The phone will be right there. I'm singing. The phone is
Motor over there. Come up with Kelly. I got it. Sorry, buddy.
Mark, is that?
Yeah.
In a season like no other.
What are you expecting?
All new Counting On, tonight at 9 on TLC. The day has come to take down terrorist Hassan Smoddy. Surveillance keeps close watch as Smoddy initiates his sinister scheme.
I can't hear.
No volume?
Smoddy would drive the vehicle down into the parking garage, park it in a location best suited to cause the most damage when it detonates.
In the truck were several tubs of ammonium nitrate. Out of the ammonium nitrate were explosives that you could see, detonators, and lots of wires that were all leading to each other. It all led to an arming device that was in the middle of the truck right next to where he drove.
We had come up with a 13-point arming plan. It was written all in Arabic. He would set the timer, and then he would walk away from it, and then if nothing else happened, the timer would tick down, and then the vehicle would detonate. But he also told us that he wanted to be able to utilize his cell phone.
Concern was that it might not drop the building.
Somebody wanted to go back to move the vehicle to the exact center.
15 minutes, but it seemed like hours waiting on this.
I was parked halfway in between the parking garage and Fountain Place where I could observe both. From my vantage point, I could see somebody in the undercover on the edge of the parking garage.
Smoddy has chosen a prime view of Fountain Place.
I don't know if any of us were prepared when that phone started to vibrate. And I know I pictured 9/11 in my head. I pictured the boom.
I just took it and held it up to the crew. I remember seeing Mitch's face.
I remember both of us just having the same thought. I just can't believe he did this. And then it was time to go to work.
To Smoddy's disbelief, the Fountain Place tower is still standing. He keeps hitting the send button, even as JTTF agents swarm toward him.
He knew it was over. I looked face to face, bringing him justice.
I want justice. There's an old poster out west, as I recall, that said wanted, dead or alive.
Osama bin Laden and 9/11 changed the world forever.
Born into privilege, the charismatic Islamic extremist will die as the 21st century's face of evil.
You became a religious fascist. You either agree with me or you don't, and I'm going to kill you if you don't.
Because we have an innate fear of being
Memorize an audience, to connect with them.
Inside of the box, and of course you're dealing with it. Everyone who worked with him knew that it was a danger.
See, and even as he would be raised, he would poke a little American flag about my feet. My brain is the key that sets me free.
The world on the way.
A fight.
Still smart.
That's a bad. There's nothing we can do. My father always said a jury trial is not...
Colonel Julius Alexander Randolph is presiding.
Is the government prepared to